Vinaka and welcome to Team Jetsetterz from Fiji. Our passion to innovate and be successful in life started not long ago when one of the smallest countries in the South Pacific, called Fiji, first became a part of the International Exposition on Team Excellence. From then until the moment our Sevens rugby team won our first ever gold medal at the Olympics in Rio, we have been energized. Just like when we were hit by a Category 5 tropical cyclone in February. Our resilience after the disaster to bounce back and continue is just matter of legends, demonstrating our commitment to improve as a nation and as an organization, managing 91% of Fiji's 330 islands where most of the population were affected. That energy has brought the IETEX Land Trust Board, or TLTB, here and to be the first indigenous institution in Fiji to win gold at the National Quality Convention in Suva speaks volume of our passion and commitment towards innovation and excellence. This is why we are here, representing Fiji. The organization was established in 1940 to control all native or IETEX land in Fiji. It is an implementing arm of government on policies related to the development of land-based resources in the country. Our core role is to lease IETEX land, collect rent and distribute them equally to the landowners, enforce lease conditions, reserve land for landowners' future use and de-reserve for development purposes. TLTB's contribution to the national economy is difficult to match. It plays a huge role in the creation and improvement of our economy, with a total land area of more than 18,000 square kilometers. Only 4,400 square kilometers had been leased out with a current lease count of 36,000, with an annual turnover of around $25 million from the management of leases in the area of agriculture, dairy, sugarcane, livestock farming, commerce, tourism, water bottling, minerals, forestry, education, residential properties, infrastructure development and industries. Team Jetsetterz is formed out of TLTB's southwestern region. Our operations oversee parts of the Ba and the whole of Nandronga province. In this QC project, the team attempts to apply the principles of quality circles to reduce the number of complaints with considerable emphasis on the elongated turnaround time of processing new lease offers. The process of issuing a new lease are as follows. The applicant lodges an application. Screening. Cashier receipts. Creation of an ID. Inspection and consultation. Confirmation of land availability by the technical team. Executing IPNR and offer. Endorsement by the regional manager. Tenant receives the offer. With the theme Improving Customer Service, our team worked tirelessly to find solutions to the problem of delays in processing of new lease application. With solutions identified, prospective tenants are now experiencing a faster turnaround time. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the presentation.